So hi guys, again I'm just gonna do a lighter video. I guess I'm just gonna show you things in the apartment, maybe some paintings and stuff, because this is not the art studio, and maybe I'll show you cluttered closets and stuff if you're interested in things I did for food today. So here we go. So first we'll see this painting. It's obviously me with my cat, as you can see. It's my style of art. Then we're coming to the kitchen, and here is the thing I talked about. So this is made of rice, flour, white from an egg because I can't eat yolks, carrot and honey, and it's really tasty and it's crunchy. So health food. Don't mind this, it's dirty. Don't mind the dishes. So this is one more painting. And one more, again me with a cat. If you want to see my fridge, that's horrible. So it's just full of, I don't know, stuff. We're coming to some more artwork. Cat. Oh, this is my cat actually. It's her comic book portrait. And some more. That's me obviously, and I guess it's crooked. That's my cat again, as a detective. I know it's a funny painting, but I love the expression of the face. Look. That's all. This is one from the series of 10. Then we're coming to the big ones. This one was never exhibited actually. And it tells a story about life, as you can see. You can pause and just try to find some things. And then we have the thing with the books and stuff, and some just some stuff. This is one more. It tells a story as well. That's a statue, Catman, that I did. This is where I usually sit. This is my bike, I keep it here. What can I do? TV. Some of my childhood things. This is, oh my god, okay. So this is the old suitcase, and I keep stuff inside that I can't put on the shelf. It's stuff, it's just toys and stuff, and you know. Oh, I got tapes here. Oh my god. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, this has to go to the shelf as well, so we'll see when. Just a moment. I'll put you down. So yeah. Oh, one hand, guys. Oh. This is a statue my friend made. Some more stuff, junk stuff there. Some travel books. Barbie. food, and then we go to here, old radio, CDs. Oh, again one painting of my cat. Her name is Kali actually, and I love this one. So this is the closet that's full of junk, full of junk, I know. It's just full of junk. Yep. Bathroom. It's horrible, I know. Bedroom. Not working computer. More of my artwork. More of my artwork. These are actually the paintings that were never exhibited, and I don't really like them. This one was exhibited actually, and they just fit here, so, you know. My cat is sleeping here, I think. Let's see. Yep. So that was Kali. And some more closet that's a little bit more, well, it's not really. I thought it's a little bit more, but actually it's just full of shit. Yeah. But it's really hot, so I have my shutters down, but if you want to see out, just pull it up. Yeah. And yes, the window is really dirty, so let's just open the window. Yeah. The kitchen is quite clean actually now. And yeah, that's where I sit and watch TV and do most of my stuff. So it's cozy and small and weird. Oh wait. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know, I just did it, you know, I'm sorry about a shirt. It had a sticker, it fell off, so I'm just wearing it at home. And yeah, I look like a mess, I know, but I don't care. I took some muscle relaxers and some painkillers, so we'll see. And yeah, if you want to see something else, just, you know, just write down or something. Nobody even speaks to me, so yeah. Peace, big hug, and talk to you soon. And check the channel that I linked in the video before this one. Bye.